Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must over here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to season this curry pepper steak. Look how beautiful it is. Yes, I said it, curry pepper steak. So here are my ingredients. That's my steak right there. I washed it and I sliced it up, cut it into strips. I will link the video down below of how I cut it into strips. So let's jump right into it. So here I'm going to add, I mixed onion granules and garlic granules together, and then I went in with some all-purpose seasoning, and now I'm going in with some jerk seasoning. You don't have to add the jerk seasoning. I also added some Lawry's seasoned salt, right, just a little bit. And now I'm going in with my curry powder. Oh my goodness, and it smells so good. This is my favorite curry powder of all times. I love it. Yes, so add your curry powder, and then we're gonna go in. This is some grated ginger and also some I minced up some garlic, about 4 cloves, and this is some scallion and our green onion and some onion, right? So yes, all the good stuff. So you want to go ahead and you want to massage those into the steak. And now I'm going in with another pack of curry. So Vibes Sam, remember that this is red meat. You see, red meat, yeah, it's gonna take a good amount of curry because the red is going to be pushing through. So I just go ahead and moisturize that in, rub it in, and then I'm going in with some thyme. And of course, I'm going to have to, well, maybe I should have chopped them up with my hand, but not with my hand. With the knife, but I didn't. So I'm going in with my hand and I'm just breaking them. Yeah, so you can cut them up with your with your knife if you want. Well, I keep saying hand. But yeah, so go ahead and I'm breaking that up with my hand, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rub that in. And then Vibes Sam, I'm going to set it aside for overnight. Yes, I love to leave red meat. It has to get 24 hours for me. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have it. This is some curry pepper steak. Yes, thoroughly seasoned. What did I say? Thoroughly. I mean, it's seasoned down to the bone that is not inside of it. But thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam, and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And look out for the cookation of this. Yeah, good stuff right here. Thank you, Vibes Sam. God bless you.